Hello people, how are you? So I have bought this perfume from Amazon, that is Lattafah Khamrah Qahwa, and it is, so yes, it's opened here. If I opened it properly, here we have the invoice, I guess. It is Khamrah Qahwa Edp. It cost me 38 euros. And yes, so that, and this is the perfume. So let me unbox it and we'll see. And here it is, totally new, packed. The boxing looks cool. It has a very royal kind of boxing here, packet. It is Khamrah Qahwa Edp perfume natural spray. Let's open it. Wallahi, that's the perfume. The boxing looks so premium here. Let me open it, just a moment. It's really hard to do unboxing with one hand. I'll open it with my both hands and come back. And here are the first impressions. This lid looks premium, you know, it's totally solid. And yeah, this is the perfume. I guess it's like 100 ml or something. So let's try. Oh, it smells so good, like coffee, zint, and it has some kind of a sweet smell. I have just sprayed one spray and the whole room is with this smell. It has a really smooth, sweet smell, but although masculine, not like what women use for. It has a masculine smell like cafe, zint, and all. So that's all for today. See you.